In front of me is INFINIX Note for the VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Now tap on the icon of it at the top and hit split screen. Then tap on a second app you wanna use, and after a few seconds enjoy operating in both at once. Now, if you want to go back from split screen, you can either go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app, or hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!